Hey, this is Kim Evans, and how are you doing this evening on this segment I love to do this, which is plant-based, healthy cooking for the working professional. So this is Kim Evans as I join my cocktail here. Elderberry kombucha, which is beautiful for the microbiome, for your gut health. And I always have to put it in a sexy glass. So you can find these at your local grocery stores. They're in different stores, but I love the Synergy brand, and this is elderberry. So, delicious. So tonight, wherever you're listening to whatever part of the world, we're actually going to do some Swiss chard. Can you say Swiss chard? I want you to be able, as we begin this year in 2026, fall in love with your greens. And y'all always know my motto is keep it lean, green, and clean, beautiful, and sexy. But you have to be able to adapt a plant-based lifestyle. So I'm going to turn this camera around, and I'm going to do this in parts. I'm going to show you how you can take Swiss chard. Swiss chard, anyone? Hey, and this Swiss chard actually came from my client's garden, and I'm so excited. You can saute this, you can steam this, you can actually use it in your smoothies. You know, I am the juice and smoothie queen. But this is really wonderful. So I'm going to show you guys step by step on how you do it, because sometimes you see these vegetables and it's like, well, how do you use it? How do you use it? And so I like to use my own encyclopedia of wealth and knowledge and just throw things together. I'm not always from a recipe, but I just want to show you specifically on how to enjoy and eat Swiss chards. It's a little bit on the pungent bitter side, but I like to always mix it with another vegetable. This time I'm going to mix it with a little broccoli and mushroom. So continue watching, enjoy the journey and the experience. And so I want to excite you so that you could get on the road of better health in 2026. Now, for those of you, are you joining my 8 weeks? It is the Glow Up Beauty 8 weeks that I'm doing live. It's actually going to be virtual. Reset your gut microbiome. It's wonderful. It's a 12-week program, but I'm actually doing the program with you live for the first 8 weeks. So I will actually submit a link below on how you can enroll for that. We start January 20th, which is the day after Martin Luther King's Day, and the investment is $12.22, and you get to keep the program, and it's wonderful. So anywho, let's get to it. Let me just show you this. So this is Swiss chard. I love me some Swiss chard. And so just watch how I'm going to share with you on how to take this and how you can make a meal with this and fall in love with Swiss chard. Follow me on Instagram, which is plant-based over 40. Yeah, that's what it is. It's plant-based living over 40 with Kim. So follow me over there, and you see all of my recipes where we just take plates, make them healthy plates for the working professional. So for those of you who do not know me, I'm the owner of Two Gorgeous Integrated Health and Wellness, business coach, and international podcaster. So strap your belts on. Let's get ready to take this ride and enjoy some Swiss chard. Bye for now.